Good morning. I'm proud to present to you the completers of G10 Faith. Male, Almarina Stephen Carl with honors. Andal Carl Angelo M with honors. Cuentas Jagal M with high honors. Inaw